What's up, guys? I'm here again. Just been busy most of the week, sick. Just want to tell you guys something. I've been sick most of the week, and that's why I've been doing videos. But I'm doing a vlog right now. But I'm not sure vlog. I think hopefully something like there's way less than 10, isn't there? No. I'll look. It's like 20 something, I forgot. Well, yeah, but I've been sick most of the time. What? There's no here. What? So, hopefully, I'll probably do a vlog on Friday, something like that. So there's nothing fun doing anytime this week. Just tired. So, guess we'll see you guys then. And have a good day. Peace.